Hey guys, today I'm making some mermaid themed miniatures for your dollhouse. So a purse, notebook, jewelry holder, perfume, mirror and picture frame, a lava lamp, which is my favorite, and some other accessories. And just quickly, I wanted to plug my daughter's channel, Loading Life, where she makes Sims and Roblox videos. So if you're into that sort of thing, you might check her out. And as always, kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. First up, I make a purse out of glitter craft foam. Then add garland for a strap. And a cute little puffy penguin sticker to complete. I glue 2 beads to make perfume bottles. Then add a chain and tiny bead for detail. Placing on a painted flat seashell. Next, I make the easiest jewelry holder ever, just using a shell. Then make a mirror by gluing a gem to a stone. I place a circle of craft foam in the bottom of a small container. By the way, I got mine at Dollar Tree. And glue a fish sticker for an easy fishbowl. You can add water, but I imagine if you leave the water in too long, it will eventually distort the sticker. I make a mini notebook from, well, another mini notebook, just cutting in half, cleaning up the edges, and adding fun stickers for detail. For the bed, I sketch a mermaid tail on paper. Trace on poster board, cut out and file the rough edges, then glue to a piece of craft foam. I cut a few more pieces and assemble. Using packaging material glued together to make my drawer. The mattress is a piece of craft foam with pretty fabric wrapped around. And the pillow is made from craft foam. For the skirt, I use stretchy fabric that doesn't fray super easy. Cut out a square, fold over into another square, and cut a tiny section off along the top. You can leave it as is, or cut along the bottom to round out your skirt. And for more detail, and to prevent fraying, you can add nail polish along the edges. I remove the gem from a cheap toy ring. Then cut out a cardboard picture of the world's favorite mermaid for an easy picture frame. And for my absolute favorite DIY mini, I'm still playing with this one. I empty a tiny Tabasco bottle, add glitter and water, then glue a chapstick lid to the top to make a mini lava lamp. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video, and Roblox and Sims fans, do check out Loading Life. Thanks guys!